morning, everyone. Again, this is Teacher Jeffrey, the English teacher of P1. Today is Wednesday, 12th of May 2021, and I welcome you again to another episode of our English class online. For today's video, I am going to teach you how to make DIY bubbles. Like this.
Let's blow bubbles. Would you like to make some bubbles? Okay, get ready.
Are you ready? Come on, let's do it together. Here are the things needed. 1/2 glass of water, 1/2 glass of dishwashing soap, 2 teaspoons of sugar, bowl and teaspoon, and bubble wand or DIY bubble wand. Now, let's try it outside. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Always remember, stay at home, be safe, and stay healthy. Bye-bye!